Hey y'all, it's Chaz Lockpicking here again. Stock Lock Sunday edition today, and I've got this gorgeous little Chubb padlock I got last week. It is about just to give you some comparison, it's about, well, it's exact. It's an exact match to a 1300. Same size, same dimensions. And aluminum. Beautiful padlock. And it's got a gorgeous little snap to it. Probably the strongest one that I have as far as the shackle spring. And here's the bitting. Comes standard 6 pins. Come on, focus. There we go. So, not the greatest bitting, but not too bad. Let's give this guy a go. I'd say it's a moderately tough pick, and we're gonna use the standard hook from Peterson. Let's see what we come up with. Tensioning on this lock ain't quite the same as American, though. You do have to give it quite a bit more tension. Click on 5 or 6. 5. Again on 5, and got a tiny bit of core rotation. That was pin 3. Go pin. There we go. Got to click out of 1, a little bit more core rotation. Got a good false set now. Alright, pin 5, counter, and a click. False set back. Pin 4, counter. A little click. Alright, pin 3, and there is the open. It is open. Wow. Go ahead and adjust this camera, and we will open this guy up for y'all. Let's see what it's got. Let's get a Phillips head. Oh yeah, this guy's just covered in grease. I'll grab a rag and get this wiped off. Just globs of old grease. This is a new old stock, so I can't remember if there was a date on the package or not. And I can't find no date. Can't find a date. Not quite sure how old it is. If anybody knows when these were produced, please let me know. And this is the first time I have opened this up, so this is going to be a first for me as well. Let's see if I can get a little bit better on the camera here. Alright, pin 1 is a very short steel anti-drill key pin. Number 2 is a brass standard. Three is serrated. 4 is standard. 5 is standard. And 6 is serrated. It almost looks like there's some serrations in there. It is odd. There are very light serrations. I mean, ever so light. I don't know if it's just a... I mean, they are very, very light, but they are there. 5 and 6, definitely. I don't know if it's just remnants of machining, drilling it out, or definitely odd. Never seen that come in a stock core padlock like that. Anyways, let's see what's upstairs. And we've got a steel standard driver in number 1. Got a nice little spool in 2. Nice spool in 3. Apologize. A spool in 6. Spool in 5. And another spool in 4. Alright, very cool. All the springs are just your standard copper springs, and arrange these real quick and I'll give you all a nice little close-up. Definitely a very cool lock. I'm glad I made the purchase, although the price was very hefty. Alright, let me give you all a nice little close-up. This is the Chubb aluminum padlock, equivalent to an American 1300. So there you go, standard 6 pins, anti-drill steel pins in 1, and serrated key pins in 3 and 6, and then nice spool drivers 2 through 6. So there you have it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this Stock Lock Sunday. If you liked it, please smash the like button, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and definitely share, so we can try to bump up them subscribers on my channel, so we can get to that 200 subscriber giveaway I got planned. I'm very anxious to show y'all what the prize is. So y'all be good, have a good rest of your Sunday, and hope y'all have a great week ahead, and I'm out.